Ruger, do you want to hunt a swan? Do you want to swan hunt? Why do you look so unimpressed? Let's go swan hunting. Whoa! You don't want the swan hunt? Okay, I'll leave you home.
But I didn't leave him home. We took him hunting. Because he's fun. And we like to spend time with him. And he's a good boy. I knocked down my first redhead right here. Throw a second shot into him just to make sure he's not going to run on Ruger. And then I get the wing flap and I'm like, alright buddy, go get him.
That's a good boy. Huh?
Good job, buddy. Ruger, touch it up. Give it to Daddy.
Come. Give. It's a redhead. I don't know if it's definitely my first Drake redhead.
First what?
First Drake redhead.
That's good.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
Big batch. Just let them do whatever they do. Canvas backs.
So while all this is going on, a little flock of teal swing by. I shoot one. Mrs. Fire Pirate whacks one. I check her bird. Mine still has his head up. So I throw a shot into him. We connect. I get the nice dead wing flap. Ruger retrieves those, and then the swans just fly right by. And I was like, there's one. I'm going to take it. And I hit it a little too far back, further than I wanted to. If I'd put a little bit more lead on it, he would have been dead. But he landed 20 yards behind me, so I just flipped around, put one into his head, and sent Ruger to get him. It worked out perfectly. I was pretty impressed with the boss number 4s. That's our bag for the day. 2 blue wings, a swan, 2 redheads. She ended up with one of the blue wings and one of the redheads, and I got the remaining birds. It was a fun day. Super fun.